Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Ocean. My name is Ivanka. Today I want to take you with me to White Rock Beach here in BC. It's a favorite local spot for many people down here, and we're gonna go just check it out. I'll give you a little introduction to the place, but I also wanted to talk to you about what happened there back in December of 2018. There was a pretty catastrophic event that occurred, and they are still repairing the damage from that. So we're gonna go check that out. They should be all done within the next 3 to 4 weeks, they said. So keep in mind this has been about 7 months now. So it was pretty significant. I was there the day after this event happened in December, and I got some of my own footage, which I'm gonna incorporate throughout the video too. So some first-hand clips of that too, from my perspective, what I saw. And we'll also go just check out the beauty of White Rock Beach. So let's go. Okay, we're just about at the beach now. We're on Oxford Street, which goes down directly to the beach. And I'm gonna show you the view going down this hill. Check this out. So cool. So there it is. This is the repair that's being done. Let's go down closer and have a look. Okay, so what you see behind me is the entrance to the pier. That is now closed. It has been closed since the event happened in December. And they're in the process of repairing it, but it's going to be another 3 to 4 weeks still, so just about there. Okay, so I'm super glad that the tide is out right now so that I can actually show you this. So this is the pier in White Rock. It's very well known by many here in the Lower Mainland and BC, I guess too. So what happened was back in December, you see all those rocks at the end there. There used to be a ton of boats that were moored there. That used to be all boat moorage there. So what happened was December 21st, I want to say, 21st I think it was, we had a huge windstorm here. Severe windstorm. Like, that just destroyed this beach. And what happened was all the boats actually broke away from the moorage and actually smashed into the pier and literally split it in half. So watch the clips, you'll see what I'm talking about. So yeah, so this crane has been here for months and months. They're basically repairing the pier. They gotta put in the middle chunk back in because it completely just absolutely destroyed it in half. It sawed it in half. So here's a view from the other side here. So So you'll notice it was all wood, old wood, and you can see all the concrete now that they're using to reinforce it for the next windstorm that we might get. This side of the beach was completely also destroyed. There was logs and just so much debris was over here. So yeah, so this is what they have in place now. So when the storm happened and the pier split in half, a lot of the boats obviously just got thrown everywhere. A couple of them, I think from what I read, actually sunk, and a bunch of them ended up right over there on the shore, actually, just over there. And when my daughter and I came down the next day after the storm to look at everything, you know, all these people's belongings, the boat owners, all their stuff and everything that they had on these boats was scattered everywhere. And looters came and actually started stealing some of the items off the beach as if it was theirs to take. You know, there's a lot of people here that were really helping and genuinely trying to gather everyone's belongings and trying to put them into piles and stuff. And then there were some looters that came and just kind of helped themselves like it was a big free-for-all. So yeah, disgusting. I don't understand people like that. But having said that, I love this beach. It's one of my favorite beaches here in the lower mainland of BC. It's just such a beautiful small little town, and it's really treasured by the locals here. Hubby and I have goals. We have goals. We have goals to own one of those. One day. Any kind of boat really will do. We wouldn't complain about any kind of boat. You know you're in Canada when? In the distance over right about there, that is Washington. That is actually Blaine, Washington. Our Canada-US border is kind of right in the middle there of the screen where you're looking, somewhere right in there. Can't quite see it from here, but it's there. And all that over there actually is part of the US. So there's our neighbors right there. Okay, so there's a closer shot of the big white rock in the city of White Rock. This city got its name from this rock. There's two different theories how the rock got here. One, of course, is a scientific theory, something about glaciers, and it migrated south during some period way back when, and it ended up here. The other theory is, of course, a mythical one. Apparently something about a god over on Vancouver Island and some forbidden romance, and he threw the rock over here and took his woman out here, and this is where they safely stayed and had their romance and something like that. So there's a lot of detail to it. I can't cover it all here, so I'll put the links below to both of those theories down below if you're interested in reading more about that. How cool is that? Amazing. Well guys, that wraps it up for me here today at the beach. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you learned a thing or two, and if you wanted to learn a little bit more about the beach or White Rock in general or the disaster that happened here in December, I'll put some links down below and you can click on those and have a read if you like. If you liked the video, please hit like, thumbs up, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification too so you can get notifications of future videos I do. And this is just a start. This is my first real video, so hope you liked it, and I'll do some more like this, and I'll cover lots of other topics too. So hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. I have a little update for you, and I'm so excited. Come with me. Okay, are you ready for the surprise? I'm sure you know what it is by now. But here it is. Ta-da! It's open! It's open now! That is new, that's so cool. So we're almost at the end of the pier here, and just a quick note, this whole area right here used to be moorage for sailboats. Like tons of sailboats used to be here, and they all broke away during the storm and they got destroyed, so no more boats here. So kind of miss seeing the boats, but it is what it is. Well, there you have it, guys. The pier is open again. White Rock feels complete again with the pier. Really just wanted to show you that. This is a huge part of White Rock, and so happy to have it back open along with everyone else here. Okay, so we'll talk to you next time. Bye.